Hello everyone. This is the criticism lesson plan on the topic of preposition conducted by Khushi Rawat for class 8 in the time period of 40 minutes in Vasant Kanya Inter College. It starts by writing the general objective first, in which it enables the students to understand the grammatical pattern of a sentence, create a clear understanding of the English language, develop fluency and accuracy in speaking and writing skills, acquire an active command over the rules of English language, and foster confidence and positive attitude in varied contexts. Then comes the specific objectives. The student will be able to define preposition in their own words, identify preposition using simple sentences, give examples of preposition, differentiate between preposition that show similar relationship, for example, in verses into, and the last one, demonstrate the learning of preposition by completing the model of flower. Then comes the previous knowledge of a student, in which the students were familiar with the concept of verb, noun, pronoun, adverb, etc. Then the teaching aids, which was used by the teacher. A model of preposition showing different prepositions, a chart of flower, which was used for evaluation, roller board for recognition drill, and other usual classroom equipments. Then comes the set induction, in which the teacher writes the sentence on the board, and on the basis of that sentence, the teacher asks the following questions. The sentence was, the Sita is sitting on the chair. The question which was asked that what is the noun in the given sentence? Sita is the noun in the given sentence. The student answered. What action is Sita doing? Sita is sitting. Where is Sita sitting? Sita is sitting on the chair. And what is the word on according to the part of speech? On is a preposition. Then the teacher gives statement of A. As the students are going to learn about preposition, it will help them to understand where something is, when something happens, or how something is related to another word. So the topic for the class was preposition. Then come the part of presentation, in which there is various teaching points. The first was illustration, in which the teacher writes the sentences on the blackboard and asks the following questions. The sentences which was written on the blackboard were, first, the pen is in the bag, second, the cat is under the table, and third, Ria is standing between her friends. And the question which was asked by the teacher was, where is the pen kept in the first sentence? And the student answered, the pen is kept in the bag. Which word is written after the helping verb in the second sentence? Under is written after the helping verb is. And what is the position of Ria in the third sentence? Ria is in between her friends. On the basis of student's answer, the teacher generalizes the concept here. Words like in, under, and between show the position or relationship of a noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence, and these words are preposition. Then the definition is stated by the teacher and is been written on the blackboard, and the teacher asks the students to write down in their notebook too. Then comes the use of teaching learning material, in which the teacher uses a model of preposition in which various prepositions are written in the model, and with the help of storytelling method, the teacher helped the students to understand about the prepositions, in which she stated the story of monkey behind the tree, or in between the trees, or on the tree, etc. Then, in order to ensure the concept has been established, recognition drill is conducted with 3 sentences written on the blackboard, and the sentences were, first, the book is on the table. Second, she was born in 2010. Third, Ram walked into the room. And on the basis of these sentences, the question is being asked. First, where is the book placed in the first sentence? The student answered, the book is placed on the table. In which year was she born according to the second sentence? She was born in the year of 2010. And in which direction did Ram walk? He walked into the room. After getting the answers, the teacher summarizes the concept here as the student learned about preposition that show the relationship of a noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. They often indicate place, time, direction, or manner. And after this, the teacher rubbed the blackboard. And whether the students have understood the topic or not, the evaluation was conducted in the form of the question. The teacher asked the following questions. First, what is a preposition? Second, what is a preposition in a sentence? The meeting will start at 5 o'clock. Third, give 3 to 4 examples of preposition. Fourth, what is the difference between the use of in and into? And one activity was also conducted by the teacher, flower of preposition, in which the teacher shows a flower chart with empty petals, and she asks the students to pick the word card and paste only the words of preposition on the petals. Then at the last, the teacher gives the homework to the students, which was written on the roller board. use in, on, under, between, and behind in 5 different sentences and underline the preposition in each sentence. In this manner, I have completed my criticism lesson plan in class 8 on the topic of preposition, which went well. Thank you.